Welcome to my Trading in Action Journal / channel. In this channel, I make videos related to growing a small account. I'm not a guru on day trading, thus these are all from the perspective of a beginner. If you are a beginner like me, you'll be able to relate. If you are planning or trading with a cash account from zero commission broker, you come to the right place. In this trading journey, I'm using WeBull. If you don't have WeBull yet, please consider using my WeBull link from the description. We'll both earn free stocks just by setting up an account and funding it with $100. Enjoy! Recap for the day. From the screener, we were watching THTX, MGEN, ABUS, and NAC. We're hesitating on these gappers because they are not low float stocks. Upon 7 a.m., MGEN showed price action confirmation. We got into MGEN, but as soon as it shows price consolidation, we took profit. From our extended watch list, we saw price action confirmation on MDGS. It also has news and it's a low float stock, around 2.5 million of shares, according to Finbiz and Yahoo Finance. We bought MDGS and it added more gains for the day. Lesson learned, focus on our strategy. Watch the rest of the video to see how it all happens. If you like to follow me, my social media handles will be in the descriptions. And if you like this kind of content, please give it a like. Feel free to leave comments and questions in the comment section. If you want to be part of the journey of building a small account, please consider subscribing.